What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. There's finally some drops this week, so I'll finally be doing more NSP stuff. So today I'm going to do my setup for the dunk highs that are dropping tomorrow on August 10th. So let's just get right into it. I'm going to go over Foot Locker, Champ Sports, which is the 2 Footsites, and then 3 Shopify sites, which is Shoe Palace, Shop Nice Kicks, and Jimmy Jazz. But first, we'll start off with Foot Locker. For Foot Locker, always have it on smooth. And for the SKU, here's how you get it. Head over to the Foot Locker website and go under releases, and then here's the 2 dunks. I'm going to go over both, but first we're going to do the red pair. You see here the having size is 7.5 through 14. How you get the SKU is you just scroll down here, and right here where it shows the product number, just copy and paste that into the bot. Just like that. Sizes, like I said, they're having 7.5 through 14. If you don't care what size you want, you could just leave it blank for random, or you could type in the sizes you want. For example, if you want like a 10, you would just type in 10 like that. If you want 10 through 12, you would type in each number and separate them with the comma. Just like that. For me, I'm probably going to go for any size, so I'm going to leave it blank for random. Billing profile, select your billing. Proxies, here's what I'm using at the moment. I'm using Deft, Leaf Residential, and Oculus ISPs. I'm sponsored by Oculus, and I have a promo code, so stay tuned at the end of the video so I could give you guys the code so you guys could get 30% off your ISP order. But yeah, those are the proxies I'm using at the moment. Schedule task, I like to start mine, or no, for the delays, I like to leave these alone so I don't even click on it. For schedule task, I start mine 10 minutes before the drop. I live on the West Coast, so our drops are at 7 a.m. So I'm going to start this at 6:50 a.m. and submit that. That's pretty much how you set up the task for the dunk highs on Foot Locker, the red pair. So now let's get the other pair. It's going to be the exact same steps. You just click on the shoe and then scroll down. They're going to have sizes 7.5 through 12.5. So just scroll down, and then right here, just going to copy and paste the product number. Just like that. And then submit that. So that's how you set up the task for the red dunk high and the white dunk high. You can see the product number is almost the same except for the last number, so that makes it a lot easier to set up the task. But now let's go over to the next foot site, which is Champ Sports. So Champ Sports, usually the same steps as Foot Locker, have it on smooth. And for the SKU, sometimes if it's the same shoe, it's going to be the same SKU, but sometimes it is different, so I would just go on the website to find out. But here we are, Champ Sports. Go to releases, and then here's the 2 shoes. You just click on it just like you do for Foot Locker. You can see they're having the same sizes, 7.5 through 14. Scroll down, and then here's the product number. Looks like it's going to be exactly the same as well, but make sure you always check, because like I said, sometimes it is different. But yeah, it looks like it's going to be the same. But so you set up the same way you do for Foot Locker. Select whatever proxies you want, starting at 5 to 10 minutes before the drop, and submit that. So let's see if the white pair is the same. It looks like it is as well. So same SKUs for Foot Locker and Champ Sports. So just submit that. That's pretty much how you set up the task for Footsites. It's really easy. Once you get the hang of it, you're going to set up your task really fast. So that's how you set it up. So now that I got those 2 Footsites over with, we're going to head over to a couple of Shopify sites. So first, Shoe Palace. How you get to this page is you go to releases right here and then scroll down. So let's go with the red pair first. Well, first here's how you set it up. Go to create task, and then let's go to Shoe Palace. For the mode right here, always have it on Cyborg 3.0. And Shoe Palace, always get the link if you can. Most of the time you could, so here's how you get it. You just click on the shoe like I did, and head up here and just simply copy and paste the link. It's really that easy when you're setting up for Shoe Palace. So once you paste that in, you're pretty much done with the link. Sizes, they're having sizes 6.5 all the way through 15. So I'm going to leave it blank for random. For Shopify sites, I heard that you're supposed to use no proxy, ISP, or a DC. You could use residential, but that's going to use up some of your data, and residential proxies are slower, so less likely you'll over like an ISP. So for example, I'm going to put my Oculus ISPs, and then advanced, I'm probably going to leave that alone as well. Shoe Palace, I'm going to start at 10 minutes before the drop, and you don't need to click on any of these. So once you have all that set up, just submit. And that's how you set up the task for the red dunks on Shoe Palace. So for the white dunks, you're going to do exactly the same thing. You just click on the shoe and then copy and paste the link up here. Just like that. For that pair, they're having sizes 6.5 through 15 as well. So submit that. And that's how you set up the task on Shoe Palace for both of the dunks. So now that Shoe Palace is done, we're going to head over to Shop Nice Kicks, which is exactly the same steps. You're going to type in Shop Nice Kicks, use Cyborg 3.0. For the link, variant, and keywords right here, you only need to use one of them. So if you could get a link, always use the link. And again, same thing as Shoe Palace. You just click on the shoe, and it'll take you to the product page, and then you just simply copy and paste the link into the link area. And then Shop Nice Kicks, I heard you're supposed to start at 5 to 8 minutes before the drop. So I'm going to start at 6:52, which is 8 minutes before. Again, it's a Shopify site, so use an ISP, DC, or no proxy. Then I'm going to submit that. So same steps for the white pair. You're going to click on the shoe, and then just copy and paste the link. It's really easy for Shoe Palace, Shop Nice Kicks. Jimmy Jazz is the same thing. You're going to just click on the shoe like you did with these sites, and then just copy and paste the link using Cyborg 3.0. So let's just finish this off real quick. So here's the page. Just click on the shoe, and then copy and paste it where it says the link. Jimmy Jazz also you're supposed to start at 5 to 8 minutes before the drop, and submit that. So you're going to do the same exact thing for the other dunk, which is right here. So submit that. That's pretty much how you set up for tomorrow's dunks on all 5 of these sites. For Footsites, you just get the product number. For the Shoe Palace, Shop Nice Kicks, and Jimmy Jazz, get the link. But if you guys have any questions at all, leave it down in the comment section below, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. These dunks, I don't really know how limited they'll be, but they are dunks. So for Footsites on dunks, they're usually pretty limited. So if you don't copy any pairs, it's normal. I'm pretty sure a lot of us isn't. So don't be too worried if you don't. Also, there's that, I don't know if you guys know, or I don't know how long you guys been doing this, but there's that new QIT bot protection. I'm going to do a video about that right after this one, so stay tuned for that because I'm going to post it today. But anyways, that's going to be it for this setup video. If you guys haven't yet, please subscribe to the channel, like this video. I'm about to play my sponsorship video, which gives you guys promo codes to get discounts on a couple cook groups, and like I said earlier, the Oculus ISP proxy. So stay tuned for that because I'm about to play it right now. But thank you guys for watching, and here's the sponsorship video. If you guys are still looking for a cook group, I highly suggest you guys get Drop Alert. Now that I'm sponsored by Drop Alert, you can use my promo code JC15 to get 15% off your order. As you can see here, is $20 a month, so give it a try out a month and see how it works for you. So I just recently got sponsored by a new cook group called Starter Square. They sent me a direct link that I'm going to put in the description so that you guys could click on and purchase the monthly membership for it. So if you want to join this group, it's $10 a month. Again, the link will be in the description, so just click on it and sign up. Also, if you're in need of some proxies, I highly recommend you guys get Oculus ISPs. Now that I am sponsored by Oculus, you could get 25% off your order if you use my promo code JC, exactly how you see it on the screen right now. So head over to Oculus if you need ISPs, use the promo code, get your 25% off, and let's see how the proxies work for you.